What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create an electrician or electrical website for free on WordPress, and in addition a fully customizable site. When you install WordPress into this year, you came with a site just like this one that you can't do much, may have no relation to your business. So how to have the website fully customizable and related to your business. How to do this in 5 minutes. This is the video idea. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics on choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left side bar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and click on themes. Click on add new theme. And into the upper right corner of our screen, we're gonna search for a theme called Anzu. Just like this. Click on install this theme. And click into the activate button. After this, you're gonna be redirected to the Anzu welcome page. We're gonna click into the install, into the first step, essential plugins. And basically all we have to do is install two plugins right here. The borderless plugin, and now install and activate, and then do the same with Elementor Website Builder. Install and activate. Elementor gonna redirect you to the welcome page. You can jump this step, okay? So all I have to do is click into this little X icon into the upper right corner of my screen. Now all we have to do is hover a mouse over the new borderless button into the WordPress left sidebar of menus. We have two new buttons now, Anzu and borderless. Hover a mouse over borderless and click on library. Right here we have a couple of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. And here is the Electrician. We can preview the site. Here is how your site gonna looks like when we finish the process. Of course, with all of those pages into the menu as well. Let me apply some zoom. Now we're gonna click into the import button. We have both plugins installed. Now just click on import once again. Wait while the template has been installed. We are building your site. Remember, the time that it takes into this part change according to the performance of your server, of your host. But we have all done. Click on visit site. And here is how my site is looking like now. Simple, easy, and under 5 minutes. And of course, we can customize the site in the way that we want, okay? So we can change logo type, we can change content, we can change menus, we can change every single part. For it, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a playlist where I can learn more about it. But we have now all of those options right here. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Remember, you can click on edit with Elementor to edit the page and use the customize under WordPress appearance menus to customize logo, typography, colors, and other things. Let's wait while Elementor loads. And here what you can do. We can customize every single part of your site. Content, texts, images, button, links, and every part. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you into the next video. Before the end, remember to check our Borders plugin, our Anzu theme, our Growth.net platform, our sites.gallery place where you can promote your site, and finally visualmodo.com in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!